Going.
Hey, how are you?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. My volume was
Okay.
down. How's it going?
Oh, okay. How'd you do on the test?
I got a C on it. How'd you do?
You got a C?
I got a C. So
Really?
mad. Yeah. How'd you
Hmm.
do?
I got a 93.
Nice. Yeah, I don't
How'd
know
you get a
what.
C?
That's what I'm wondering. I'm guessing I probably screwed it up on the word problems.
Oh, yeah, they were. Well, and stuff was on there that wasn't on the practice exam.
Right.
Like the
So
I don't know, there was a bunch of stuff on there. And I'm struggling on the one tonight. Did you do both parts already?
I did most of the second part, but I was gonna ask you for help on some of it. So hopefully
I
we can
was
help each
just
other out.
okay. Well, let's look at it. Did you have any questions for part one?
Part one was pretty easy, I thought.
Yeah. And on part two, it makes sense as I'm going through it, but I got stuck on question two. Where did you get stuck?
Let me see. Yeah. Question two, once it got to the actual whatchamacallit, where is it? Or no, maybe where is it? Maybe it's question three or four I'm talking about. What on question two did you not understand?
Well, you're on part, there's only two
There's A, B,
questions
and
on part
C,
two.
right?
Yeah, ABC was good. ABCD on one was fine. On question two, I was okay until C, where it says to make the histogram. And I made
Mm-hmm.
it. My histogram didn't match the data that they had for their histogram. Did yours?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what I did wrong because I had all of the same numbers. Did you put it in SPSS?
Yeah, because I couldn't remember how to do it, so I looked at like lesson three or whatever, how to make it. So I just put the numbers in.
I mean, it did
Do
a
you think
histogram, but I didn't get the same numbers as the ones on the Word document.
really?
Yeah, so I don't know. I'm gonna have to go back and look at it. I know there's like a tutorial video for that question. I'm gonna have to go back and look at it. I got the
Yeah.
I got the same mean, and I got the same standard deviation. I got the same variance, but then my minimum and Q1 and median and all that doesn't match. Well, my
They're
minimum does, but the Q1, Q2, Q3 doesn't match.
hmm.
So then when I was going through the rest of it, I just kind of got stuck. Like on part four is where I got stuck.
Where it says compute this statistic.
Yeah, so how did you
Yeah,
make
that's
your
where I got stuck too.
Okay, well maybe we can think about it.
Because on my thing it says page four, so I was thinking, is this question number four? But yeah, that's the
Oh,
same spot I got. Because I was looking, because when I get stuck, I look at their answers and then I look
yeah.
at how you solve it, and
But it
so I'm
doesn't
like,
really say. It doesn't plug the
oh,
numbers in there. I got the
right,
mean, right? Because the mean is
right. The mean was 46.733333.
oh, so I guess we have to take okay. So we would have to take their mean and subtract it from 47, which is what the status quo was, right?
Yeah, that's what I did, and it always was like negative. What was it? It was like negative 1.33. I didn't even keep it because it was wrong. But yeah, I did that because then you do the standard deviation, then divide that by the square root of 15, right?
Divided by the standard deviation. But our standard deviation is only of the sample. We don't have the standard deviation from anything. We don't know the
So,
standard deviation.
so it's not from
Oh, yeah, we
this
do. It's 5.
the is it 5?
Yeah, it
Okay,
says
that's
assuming the
probably
national standard deviation was 5, because we have to go by the national data, not the sample data.
Oh, that's where I was screwing up, I
Right?
think. Let me see if, yeah, let me try it again then.
So it would be 5 divided by the square root of 15.
Let me try that again.
That's just what I was on when the clock came up to get on our call. So
Oh, okay. Let's see. 46.
Mommy.
Yeah, I didn't get the same answer as they did. How about you?
I was hoping that you would get it. Hang on, I didn't do it. Okay,
'Cause
let me
you-
see.
Would it be 40? Would it be? Let's see. I'm getting confused now. Which mean do we subtract which mean
So it'd
by?
be 46.73 minus 47.
Yeah, that's what I did, and I got negative 0.0154. Doesn't make sense.
My computer's getting stuck. Hang on. Where's my calculator?
Okay, if you subtract it. Okay, if you subtract it the other way, well, okay, that makes sense. Yeah, so if you subtract 47 minus 46.73, that's how you get the answer.
Really?
So you use the mean that they gave. At least that's how I just did it, and it gave me the answer. Which I thought it was the opposite way, but
I thought it. Yeah, I have to make that make sense to me because otherwise it's going to screw me up. 542. So that would be on our distribution of sample means, right? That would be under that.
yeah.
Okay, I'll go back and look at that. But it did give you the same answer?
Yeah, well, I mean, their answer, I don't know if they use how many decimal places they went, but yeah, it's the same answer, essentially. Because I only did 46.73. So, like, once you get like 5 places over, the number's a little different, if that makes sense. Are you? I can't hear you. Can you hear when I talk? Huh. What do you think we should do? Mm-mm.